Hello, my lovely. Welcome back to my kitchen. It is really good to have you here. And if today is your first time visiting, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing. So, my lovely, today I'm sharing with you the easiest way to make konkonte at home, yet with a perfect result. Konkonte is a type of fufu made with dry cassava flour, and it is mostly enjoyed by the Akans, the Gas, and the houses. So come along and let's put this together. I have here with me some pure dry cassava flour. I'll go ahead and add some water, and then I'll begin to stir to mix it together. It is a good idea to have some water on the standby and then add as you mix along. Now it is perfect, so I'll go ahead and pour this into my fufu saucepan. I added a tiny little bit of water to achieve this consistency, and then I began to cook it. Initially, you want to stir until it heats up. Once it is hot enough, it would begin to form small lumps, but do not worry, as these are not cooked yet, they are easily smashed up. Continue to cook until you get this thickness. Now it is quite hard to stir and you need some manpower to do this. But the aim here is to ensure that everything is mixed up, as the bottom always cooks before the top. And now I am scraping all the sides in because it is time to add some water to our konkonte. So once that is done, I covered it and allowed it to boil. Let it boil over for some time so that the underneath will really cook up. Now go in with your wooden spoon and then turn it over like this to allow the other part to also cook up. I'm going to continue this and let that part also cook as mentioned before. Now look, it is ready to be stirred in. Just do as I am doing until everything comes together nicely. Hello, if you are new to my channel, you are so very much welcome. I cannot thank you enough. Please consider activating your bell icon to receive all my future uploads. Thank you so very much. So my dear, if you wish, you can add a little bit of hot water if you want it much softer. And now look at how beautiful this looks. It is so soft, perfect, yet without all the hard work that the other recipe calls for. Serve it with peanut butter soup. It is mostly enjoyed with peanut butter soup because it is so delicious. I topped it up with some okra and it was divine. Thank you for watching. I hope you leave this video a like, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and I'll see you in my next upload. Take care, my dear. Bye bye.